of in PJs, which is a look. Yesterday I didn't put on my makeup. I was wearing my PJs and I was in one conference call, one Zoom meeting. I look like a homeless person and I just was like, oh shit, I need to get up a little bit earlier so I can actually do my makeup and look like a presentable human being, not like a potato. You know, it's lunchtime, I'm hungry. Let's make some food, yeah? Okay, yeah. Face detect, kick in. Our fridge is fully stocked. I'm gonna make myself a tuna sandwich for lunch, so I'm gonna get some bread, mayonnaise. I don't like this flavor, don't get it, it's not good, but we're gonna use it because we're not gonna waste it. Mustard. It's really disrespectful when the fridge beeps at me like that. What else? We need cheese. Like a tuna melt. We have some Munster cheese. Munster? I don't know. I think parsley. And I have an avocado. I have 4. But I'm only gonna use half of one. And then for the tuna, it's so hard to reach. Let me turn this way so the lighting's a little bit better. For the tuna, I'm gonna use Safe Catch tuna. Paleo certified. Wow. I like when they really sell it to you. Sustainably caught, mercury tested, additive free, 26 grams of protein per pouch, gluten-free, and omega-3s vital oils retained. I'll show you how I make this, okay? Please don't judge me, I don't have the best overhead layout, so it's just gonna be like this, very intimate like, me and you. I put my cast iron skillet to heat up, and I got my tuna. I'm off camera because I'm draining it. Plop my tuna in there. Oh, that was a way more mustard than what I was planning on, but you know, it's fine. I love Primal Kitchen products, but this one in particular I don't really love. It just tastes, it has lemon oil in it, so it kind of tastes like an essential oil. I don't know, it's just something's off about it. I'm gonna put some chopped parsley. I already washed this, so don't judge me. I'm gonna chop this up. Technical difficulty. Parsley, yes. I'm having a hard time filming this video, I'm not gonna lie. Oh, Lord Jesus. Some salt and some pepper. Really hard to do this with one hand. All right, so I got this assembled. I got my tuna salad on there, on bread, my Munster cheese, and I'm gonna cook this bad boy. Sizzle. Let that cook for a little bit. My tuna melt is almost ready. It's almost complete, okay? Put it back up. Auto in it. You know, I was gonna mash it, but I'm pretty hungry, so I'm just putting the whole damn thing in there. It's half an avocado sliced. Look how beautiful. And then, this is the real star of the show. Bagel seasoning. Close this baby back up. I'm a diagonal slicer, you know, it's just an aesthetic. Look at that. Yes. So good. All right, I'm gonna finish off this vlog on my phone because my memory cards are both full, so there goes the DSLR. But yeah, just stay safe out there, stay positive, eat good food. All right, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.